You'll see our booth down there. And then we have the Four Corners, which is right down here, west of the plaza. I still call it the square. But yeah, just west of Boeing Plaza. Currently, the Bronco is right there, so you can now walk around it. And I keep it detailed all week down there, but we have our outstanding...
President 2, 2 mile initial, 36 left. And did you want to, or do you want to call or break? We can see the tower now, President 2.
And President 2, break your discussion south of the tower and runway 36 left, clear land.
Okay, we'll break right south of the tower, clear land, 36 left, President 2.
Don't give me scared there, John. That'll take us. Okay, well, let's get going and get one of those $100 a piece.
Beautiful, sir. Wind 250 at 7. All aircraft is bound for fifth to the left base runway 36. Continue to follow east-west road. Keep it under you. Maintain 1,800 until turning final. We will call you out on the base and give you a runway 7. Close in. C-17, where are you parking at? C-17, where are you parking? Show center?
Hey, from Boeing Plaza for President 2.
What a way to think back to years ago. Film strips. The teacher didn't want to have to teach that day, so they
Just heads up for you, there's a small ultralight aircraft ahead to your left near the approach end of 36.
President A2, roger.
grabbing their attention.
Adding this side of the net, or this side of the net. Okay, come on, Madison, get out. Give that to mommy. Can you give this all to mommy? Hey, Madison. Madison, over here. Hey, right now. Over here. Over. Watch the other one. You better get over here and hide, Scarlett. It's coming. Which one are you doing?
Now, you
10 power test. 36 left is in use.